There are 5 full tools each side of woodworking. And guess what? For us now in Lane County, I won't be doing so yeah, I can't do that overview. Sorry, I just can't. I'm real sorry, I just can't. Really, I got me this little flipper out. Set this on my bed. Probably seen better than that. One of these red beauties. It's my 5-gallon bucket. It's my bucket. Again, they're hard for I don't see it's from hard praise. I don't get in from that thing. $3.25. You know what? I got a bunch of things. Now, the hard freight that day, we spent $50. Never told you this nugget. Step 1. It's a power tool. I won't be discussing it. It's just a little berry tool. I'll just no, you can't get these down hard freight. Gum. Last year for Christmas. And here's the first one. We didn't discuss the article. I prefer ratchet screwdriver. It's handy when you need it to unload storage case. Because this comes full. Actually, I'm out. I ain't give it to me. I was got the same paper around in Geo. Now, even for, I got that. I prefer irons like this. You know, I'm afraid here's some 2 days ago, using now Harbor Freight, Packers 5. I don't know how much, probably about $2. There's something else for them long projects. You say 500 tape measure. I got, he's got from Harbor Freight for Packers 5. Seven wheel, 9 foot. What? Down. Finally got it. I'll discuss these in the next part. Obviously, I didn't get a chance to get this back outside, but I won't be getting it back out there anytime soon. Same pack song. What's more free? Brady's back there. Anyhow, now, I don't freeze, but now, if you just ain't gonna, if you're gonna do a bunch of chords, get you one. See? And get yourself a good little chalk line too. And, cause you gotta get them bucket. Spill some in. And, oh, I'm gonna work in. He sent me some money for catch safe from my sodas where you don't breathe. It's bad for me. Kill you. Breathe my soda still mess you up. Get you a goose, get you a bus mace. I usually get back 5. I'm out. It's making my eyes. I didn't get yourself a little torpedo devil. It's $80. I didn't pay nothing for it. I had a coupon. It's a truck coupon. It's called Giant, but that's not called truck. It's gonna be red with Spacebird. It's green and blue. It worked. I'm afraid it was out. Now I'm just gonna set fire to it. Obviously, I ain't gonna get this out. And I got me a leash in there. It's like a little leash. The first leash we ever done. Something else it did say Donkerbars. Somebody's family with this set. Somebody, guess what? It's usually what Nike is. You touch that. It's gonna come loose. Somebody's been playing with them. I don't know whoever, but now whoever's been playing with them. Whoever's playing with them, I'm beating them up. They're not. So if I find out, I'm gonna beat them up. I ain't just for the power tools. And cutting it. Cord out to start showing wire. Get some of that tape. Huh? Get some of that tape. Got it. If you got a nail gun, here's what you should get. Get you some nails. You want to come with now. Nail guns come from. Obviously, it's for CJ's. Tractor strong. PVC pipe cutters, poles. It's good with PVC pipe. Can't do it right. I'm sorry about the overview, right? I'm real sorry about it. I can't do it due to the coronavirus. I'm real sorry about it. I used to know over summer. It's kind of spring break, but just make up for it. Birthday, so I just decided to do this for you guys so you don't miss it. Alright. It's gonna be a birthday tomorrow to use rotary tools, but now I can't do it. It's Corona. Is that what the news about? State news. Did they smart saying it? Like that. Now, Harbor Freight don't sell these. I don't know. Now get you some dust masks. Now, once fall gets back, I'm gonna be using it. And get you some sandpaper. It's actually from Walmart. It's just from their dude. That's from Rose. Junk grounds from Walmart. And you better get. That's it for today's video, guys. See you next. Oh wait, our poles burn carpet up for text it. Yeah, we're taking up your carpet. Here it's just rug. Kitchen rug, fiberglass, no good. Kitchen rug had fiberglass in it. I'm telling you, it did. Hey, I've got to discuss this in the first part. Here's that. Well, it all got for Christmas. I've got, my, you get luckies. Get you good real round. I got it for Christmas. Gonna burn it, but wasn't no good. Anyhow, yeah, just for your toolbox. No, see. Anyhow. Just get you some dust masks. It'll save your knife from like sawdust. One more. Hey, let me go out, buddy. Just one more. Buddy, if you got any 20 pack, send me about 2 packs. I need them real bad. I just think somebody look nice. If you ain't already, be sure to subscribe. And Same notification bells where you get on notification. Let's see it freeze. Let's see it freeze. Get your flip right. Helps. Oh, see 70.